Hey everybody, Sean here, and I hope you're doing well. And special thanks to Afrologic for sharing this. I've got my baseball cap on because today we're getting serious. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. The Demon Slayer movement is perhaps the largest and most deceitful thing happening within Christianity today. Teaching people that think they are born-again believers that they can have demons living inside them that need to be cast out on a regular basis. There is no freedom for any of these people because, as we know, when an unclean spirit is cast out, it can come back with 7 more wicked spirits if that person does not have the Holy Spirit in them. That's what the house being empty means, but they don't believe that. Which is why deceivers like Isaiah Saldivar teach that you should have demons cast out of you as a born-again believer every 3 months. And now Mike Signorelli has a new movie called The Domino Revival. But this isn't revival. Casting demons out of spirit-filled believers is not revival, it's a lie from hell. They are calling this a spiritual awakening when it's actually a spiritual deception. Please watch this video to the very end because we have a great opportunity to really help the people being deceived in this movement. But every name you read at the top of this thumbnail has been proven to be a false teacher. And some of the names at the bottom have been as well. The others are all guilty by association for supporting such a wicked ministry. As you can see, this movie is playing on only one day, and that's October 24th. So here's what I'm proposing. I did a simple Google search for locations, and I'll leave that link below, or you can do your own search. But clicking on the different theater links will give you options to search for a theater near you. Others allow you to view all locations with the click of a button. So if you are biblically literate and understand that spirit-filled believers cannot have demons living in them that need to be cast out, please gather some like-minded Christians and go to these theaters and preach the truth to those that are being deceived. Remember, this is a one-day event, and I'm pretty sure every theater will be sold out because this is being advertised so far in advance. So that means there's going to be a lot of people that we can help. Remember, Jesus said that many people that call him Lord will claim to have cast out demons in his name, but Jesus never knew them and they will go to hell. If you care about these people that think they have Jesus, but sadly don't, then please take advantage of this one day, October 24th, 2023, and go to these theaters and do some real evangelism. May that be before the movie starts or afterwards. And if you are someone who is comfortable with street preaching, then get a milk box and a microphone and preach God's truth. Please share this video everywhere and let's help the people that are being deceived by this movement. You may even want to make up some gospel tracts explaining why Christians can't have demons living in them if they are saved. It's only August now, so you have lots of time to prepare and share this video with everybody. Click the like button and share this to help with the algorithm. And if you haven't seen the video on the screen now, this is of a guy that went to a demon casting event and confronted these people. And you can see just how easy it is to share the truth and show how fake all of this is. We're going to leave it here for today, but may God guide and bless you as you step out in truth and faith to help these people.